It is finally front entry makeover time. Just the paint alone did so much to the front door and front entry, but there is still a lot more to do. Today we're taking you through what we did to revamp our front entry, but first let's go back to before we painted the house to remember what was there, and we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. Also, thank you to Bloomscape for sponsoring this video. So before, there were some nice pavers out there where you could set a chair or a bistro table on, but that corner was so dark and never really felt inviting. If you were to sit out there, you're all cooped up and it's just kind of uncomfortable in a way and a little bland with the whole area. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out now. While we were already in the landscaping mindset, our plants from Bloomscape were delivered along with our new black planters, also from Bloomscape, that will be going on the front porch. We filled those planters up with rock and dirt to fill up the space inside, and then we can add soil and our plants. Bloomscape is an online plant service that delivers healthy plants to your door and setting you up with the tips and tricks you need to help your plants thrive. Plants are cared for by plant experts and kept in optimal conditions at their greenhouse, where they're shipped directly to you healthy and ready to enjoy. Bloomscape is now offering Bloom Kits, which includes everything that you'll need to get your patio summer ready. With the kit, you'll get the tools you need to keep your plants alive and thriving with planting and care instructions. The Bloom Kits include a mix of annual flowers and foliage. We chose two different ones. The first ones you see is the Hylocrisium Bloom Kits, and the second one has White Impatiens, Tyrinia, and Mezu. I really hope I did not just butcher those names, but I am such a newbie when it comes to plants and planting and anything to do with plants, but these kits are super easy and super helpful with all the instructions they have to keep your plants alive. You can go to bloomscape.me/woodbrew to customize your bloom kits, and you can also use the code Woodbrew to get 20% off of $100 or more. So that link will be in the description. Go check them out. After the house was painted white, we painted the window trim and door in a brownish black to tie in the other window trims, and it looks incredible. We added these lights that you could see in the last video but weren't completely sold on them. We switched them out for a solid black cylinder wall light that produces light out of the top and bottom, and it matches way better. I've spent so many weeks trying to figure out what plants to plant in this front area until Dylan came to me with a really good idea of pouring concrete into a organic shape to make it look like a stone or a paver, and I was completely sold. This would really ground the space and let everything else be designed around it, so that is what we did. While he did his thing with the concrete, I planted a palm into a pot, both from Home Depot, that will go in front of the window, and then we planted Creeping Jenny in the sliver between the path and the house. I found these amazing elephant ears on the property, and I just knew I had to use them somewhere, so Mom and I planted them around a few corners of the house in this front entry area and around the porch steps. The green and the white started pulling me in, and everything really just started falling into place. We wanted that stone texture, kind of like a flagstone look with the concrete. So after it was pushed in place and it had set for a few minutes, Dylan came around to smooth things out, kind of like perfectly imperfect, and it turned out great. Before adding gravel and really everywhere around the house, we put some termite protectant around the brick. And apparently this stuff is really hard for termites to get through, especially with the gravel. So that is really a main reason why we added gravel in this area instead of mulch. While we were at it, we took out all of the grass that was actually all weeds on the left side of the front path and put gravel all throughout here as well. Eventually this will get planted with a bunch of grassy bushes and more elephant ears, but that will be done this fall when it's not so extremely hot. The sitting area entry with the modern chairs is the perfect spot to have our coffee in the morning. It's still shaded and now very welcoming and peaceful to sit in. The elephant ears are still a little droopy from getting replanted and with the heat, but they are all producing new leaves, which is amazing. The bloomscape plants are now finally in their new home, and the tall black planters were definitely the move to have around at the front door. And of course, I had to add my cactus back to its spot, and it all looks so good together. This space really turned around, and it is now a completely different situation than what it was before, and we are so excited to pull up to the house every single day and see our new front entry.